Hello XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the currently price update of XRP. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the XRP? Let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now. Maybe stay channel for more this kind of update and news videos, guys. Guys, if we talk about the shortly latest update of XRP in the market, so as you can see here, guys, now XRP Cardano, a lot of coin we found positive because it is the last half a month. So obviously, you found a lot of coin positive in the last half month. As you can see, guys, now the currently price of XRP in the market is about 1.09 USD dollar. That is the current price. Other side, if you talk about the changes update of XRP, so obviously the changes update is also going positive. Is I predicated XRP in my previous videos. If you check my previous last 2 days update of XRP, so you found that I told you in the video that now possibilities that in the last week of October XRP price start positive changes, guys. Absolutely, I predicated a lot of coin in 2 days ago, guys. So absolutely a lot of my prediction is going positive, guys. So very congratulations to those people who's following Avias Stake channel, guys. Again, I recommend for all XRP short time long time holders that, guys, in the upcoming 5 to 7 days you found XRP only in the pump, you found only and the pump. So guys, obviously if you know that price will pump, so you have to hold if you want a profit, guys. And obviously if you know about the XRP future that XRP price will pump, so you have to buy more and more XRP. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want buy, sell or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.